In TOEFL speaking, the top 5 grammar traps are tense shifting. This is when you shift between the past, the present, the future incorrectly. For example, yesterday I go to the library and I read a book, right? We got a tense shifting problem. You should be in the past tense there because it was yesterday. This matters because incoherent time references confuse listeners and lower grammatical accuracy scores. The human rater, I always say this, if the human rater is like, just for a second, you're going to go down a level in that particular construct area. So if it's a delivery problem, an intelligibility problem, and the human rater doesn't understand you, you've lost a point, likely. Same with language use, and grammar can interfere with comprehension. Second, subject-verb agreement problems. This happens all the time. The professor in the lecture explain, right? He have a good idea. The students was studying, this type of thing. Even small agreement mistakes are noticeable. They reduce fluency of thought, and they can often confuse a listener, even just for a second, okay? 3, article usage. And, the, overusing, underusing, misusing these articles. For example, I went to the Canada. My father is professor. Stuff like this. Articles are tiny, but they're super frequent, and repeating errors make your speech sound less natural, less precise. Number 4, preposition errors, misplacing or choosing the wrong preposition. For example, I am good in playing soccer instead of I am good at playing soccer. Stuff like this. Prepositions are high frequency pain point for many non-native English speakers, and errors signal gaps in control of idiomatic English. Last one, complex sentence structures. Avoiding or mishandling relative clauses, conditionals, connectors. So for example, if I will have time, I will go, stuff like that, instead of if I have time, I will go. This matters because limited or broken complex structures drag down your scores, specifically grammatical complexity, grammatical accuracy here in SpeechRater, because high scores show variety and accuracy in grammar. How serious are these TOEFL speaking grammar issues? Well, grammatical accuracy specifically has a moderate impact on your overall TOEFL speaking score. So mistakes like these are not fatal, right? But you want to make sure that you don't make too many of them, and you want to get control of the ones that are trending. So keep an eye on your data, specifically the grammatical accuracy SpeechRater dimension. I'll see you on my speaking score.